How to use the column function in Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this function explain video series, I'm going to show you how you can use the column function in Excel. What are the parameters and how you should use it. Before starting, I want you to take a moment and please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Let's get started. Now the column function falls under the lookup and reference category. If I click on the formula tab and under the lookup and reference category, you will find the column function. Okay. Now if I click here, you can see it says returns the column number of a reference. That means whenever you give a reference in this column, in the column function, it will return the column number of that reference. Okay. Now reference is the cell or range of contiguous cells for which you want the column number. Okay, if omitted, the cell containing the column function is used. Okay, now if I click OK, our formula will be placed here. Now let's write the column function here. Write equal to and then write column. If I double click here, it is asking for the reference, which is not mandatory. Okay, it's optional reference. If you don't give the reference and press enter, it will return the column number of the cell you have placed the formula. Okay, now if you add a reference, select the cell and press enter, it will return the column number of that cell. Okay, now if you select a range of cell, it will return the column number of the first cell of your range. Okay, so this is how you can use the column function. You will get the column number of your range. This is what I wanted to show you. Thank you, thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thanks for watching.